My name is Gregory Bradley. I'm the owner of BLKBOX Fitness. We've been going since 2012, manufacture gym equipment, specialise in end-to-end gym design. We work with a range of clients globally, from Google, LinkedIn, Arsenal, Everton, Ulster Rugby, Irish Rugby. So the company started in March 2012 after I graduated from university. We pivoted, I guess, in 2014, began to manufacture, moved to Belfast. Initially we got a loan of £6,000 from NI Small Business Loan Fund. We had staff of around 6 people. We got another top-up loan from NI Small Business Loan Fund in 2016. Then we moved to our new headquarters in Titanic Quarter in March 2017 and recently got support from White Rock to help us achieve our growth plans. We sought funding for a number of different reasons. Firstly, I guess in 2014 it was to buy some machinery to begin manufacturing gym equipment, also to help purchase some stock. That was for £6,000. Then in 2016, more of the same, more stock, some more machinery, and to hire some more staff. And then our most recent support from White Rock was to help with the investment here in our headquarters, also on our new website, hire more staff. We've probably doubled our head count here. When we were working with the NI Small Business Loan Fund, both Donal Leahy and Michael Carlin were very helpful, and would recommend anyone to reach out to them if they are starting a business. The process was very straightforward and seamless. In 2014, was able to give us key advice. It was also very quick. They were able to manage expectations. Harry McDade as well was very helpful with his advice. And then Neil McCabe from White Rock, again, very similar process, managed expectation, was able to give us timelines throughout, very helpful. The funding's allowed us to increase the amount of staff we have here. Currently we have 33 staff. It's also allowed us to grow our turnover by 50% each year, and next year we're hoping to grow it by 100%. So that's been key to have the funding, the working capital. It's also allowed us to secure contracts with Irish Rugby, Swiss Rowing Federation, Pure Gym, who are the biggest gym chain in the UK, and increase our e-commerce sales significantly. In 2019 we're looking to double our turnover. We're also going to recruit around 10 to 12 new team members. We also want to increase our footprint both in UK and across Europe. We also have a distributor in Dubai, which is a market that is aggressively growing, and we want to also focus on our e-commerce sales. I would recommend any small business owner to reach out to the access to finance, whether or not you have your own company or have aspirations to start your own company. We couldn't have got to the stage we're at now without the support, so yeah, 100% would recommend it.